In front of me is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. You need to begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid's Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, launch it. Now, after you open it, you can mute the music right away by hitting Consent and tapping on Note icon at the bottom left corner. Then select this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those wallpaper options however you want to. Then hit at the top right corner, bottom right corner and select Set as Live Wallpaper. Finally tap Yes, select Set Wallpaper and click on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with home screen only, so when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!